Well, the pictures on the left are original and the pictures on the right are the ones that were outpainted, extended, or zoomed out by the Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. So of course, this new model is a lot better than the previous one. It has a bigger resolution, higher accuracy, and in general, it is just superior compared to the previous model, which is the regular Nano Banana. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily outpaint or zoom out any picture, like it can reveal other things that do not exist or wasn't captured in the original picture. So let me show you how you can create a picture like this using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. First, let's open gemini.google.com, and of course you can use the mobile app version on your phone. And after that, you're going to click this plus button, click upload files, and then you can select the picture that you want to zoom out or outpaint. Now for this example, I'm going to be using this picture. So this is the eye of a tiger, but let's see if Gemini can actually guess the animal correctly. I'm going to copy the picture. Let's put it right here. And this is the prompt that you can use. You can find this prompt in the video description down below. Let me just copy it. Let's paste that into Gemini. Now click Tools, Enable Image Generation, and of course, to ensure that we are using the Pro model, select Thinking with 3 Pro. If you're using the fast mode, then it is actually the regular Nano Banana, which can work, but it's not going to be as sharp or as high quality as the Pro model. Now, this prompt is actually can be modified. For example, here, I guess I'm going to start a new thread while it is still generating the picture. And I will just paste the prompt. And here, for this example, I have this picture of a building, but I want to add some extra instruction. And basically, I want to tell Gemini to make sure the whole the whole structure is visible. Click Tools and then click Create Images. So the prompt is just an example. It is the basic prompt. You can modify it, you can add something, you can include extra instructions. So it's really up to you depending on what kind of picture that you want to outpaint or zoom out. Now let's go back to the first thread, and there it goes. So yeah, it is the eye of a tiger. I think it guessed the animal correctly. I'm not really surprised. So also, the picture quality is also great, the details amazing, and to get the highest quality version of the picture, you can save the picture by clicking the download button right here. Now let's go back, or let's continue to the second thread. And there it goes. So it is definitely a bit more zoom out, but unfortunately we still cannot see the whole structure. So this is one problem that I do notice. I think it's very difficult to control the level of zoom out. Like here, I can actually include numbers like 5x, 10x, but on my testing, it has little to no effect, or I would say it's not very consistent. So I'm still trying to find a prompt that can actually let us control the zoom level, but so far I haven't found any. But for the time being, perhaps you can send the same prompt again, and then it will zoom out this picture, and eventually you can see more and more of the scene. So that's one workaround that you can try. But anyway, that's essentially how you can zoom out or outpaint a picture using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.